Okay, guys, you have to see this. We're starting with this young girl in a rural village, and she's already handling tools like a pro. Look at that focus. Most kids are on iPads, but she's out here preparing raw timber. This is pure grit. Look how she's peeling the bark. Every strike is intentional. You can tell this isn't just a chore, it's a craft passed down through generations. She's making those perfectly round wood slabs. The precision here? Unmatched. I'm honestly blown away by her strength.
And here comes the handoff. Now we're in the master's workshop. Watch how he mounts that raw slab onto this vintage lathe machine. It looks dangerous, but his hands move with so much confidence. This is where the magic really starts to happen.
Wait, what is he doing now? He's carving rings into the center. Look at that pattern. It's like a ripple in a pond. This level of manual detail is what people in the US pay hundreds of dollars for in boutique shops. It's authentic, it's raw, and it's beautiful.
He's sanding it down now, and here comes the polish. Watch the grain of the wood wake up. Look at that golden glow. It went from a dirty piece of a tree to a luxury-grade wooden bowl in minutes. The transformation is absolutely satisfying.
Look at that final product. From that little girl's hard work to this master's finishing touch, it's a masterpiece. This is why we need to support handmade crafts. It's got soul. If you guys were as impressed as I was, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing reveals. See you in the next one.